Hello everyone, my name is Yunus Mohammed and I am the course instructor for the course Website Development to Career Progression and Side Hustle, where you will be learning HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So just before we start the course, let's learn some website development skills right now, but in a fun way, of course. So this is what we're gonna do. So I'm going to log into my PayPal account and I'm going to tweak my current balance to make it seem like I am a lot richer than I already am. So without much further ado, let me show you what we're gonna be doing with my PayPal account. Okay, so what I did is I just opened up a browser. So in this case, I opened Google Chrome. You can do the exact same on any other browser, such as Internet Explorer. You can do it on Firefox. You can do it on Safari, etc. But for the purpose of this exercise, I'm gonna be using Google Chrome. So I'm gonna go to PayPal.com. So I'm gonna click on Login, and I'm gonna log in with my credentials. Okay, I'm gonna click on the login button. Alright, so now that I'm logged in, this is where the fun begins. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my current balance section. So this is the available amount. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to right click and click on inspect. Okay, so you're going to see a lot of code in here. But the bit that you're interested in is the number 63,839. So whatever amount that you have, what you're going to do is you're going to right click in here and click edit as HTML. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the numbers a bit. So I'm going to change it to, let's make myself a millionaire. There we go. Then you just click away and you see this side updates. Okay, so I'm just going to close this bit down. That amount is a bit too much. So let me just right click again, inspect, and I'm going to reduce it down a little bit because that really messed up the view of the PayPal site. So I'm going to make that, okay, I'm just going to humble myself down a little bit and just change it to 863. Click on this side and close it down. There you go. Now I look a lot richer than I already do. So there you can just hit the print screen and just share it with anybody you like.